and obviously she cut that home confinement tether off immediately. I think that is the record for how fast I've seen a tether cut off within hours of her release from custody. And so that's all I know about at this time in terms of new charges and new offenses and things like that.
All right, bond violation and sentencing will occur on July 1st, 2024.
July 1st.
Ma'am, you need to stop speaking out during the middle of court. Do you understand?
My apologies. Assistant Public Defender Sonia Chenault on behalf of Ms. Portia Elledge. Can you please have them unmute you, ma'am, and state your name for the record?
It's Portia Elledge.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Portia Elledge is here because of a bond violation. Ms. Portia Elledge is alleged to have cut her strap off and left it at the Speedway gas station at 3000 Carpenter Road in Ypsilanti Township here in Washtenaw County. And the tether was located, but not the defendant. So she's been missing since then.
That and some new cases, Your Honor.
Oh, wow. Look at that. All right. Ms. Chenault.
Thank you, Judge. We are requesting an adjournment in this matter due to the new charges with my client. We will also ask for a low cash bond at this time.
Well, I can answer the first one very clearly, no. As far as the adjournment, why would we be adjourning a tether? She cut a tether off. Are there charges arising out of the tether off?
There are no, I'm sorry, Ms. Chenault, I didn't mean to talk over you if you were going.
No, go ahead, Ms. McDuffie.
I don't know about any charges related to the tether at this time. They usually move pretty quickly, so I don't anticipate she's going to have that specific charge. However, Ms. Elledge is up for a sentencing. And
I don't want to be adjourned.
Ma'am, I don't care that you want it to be adjourned. You don't get to
I
choose.
said I don't want to be.
Oh, okay. Good. Go ahead, Ms. McDuffie.
All right. So Ms. Elledge is up for sentencing on her cocaine possession felony that was reduced to use as a misdemeanor. Since that time, she has a new case authorized, which is operating with the presence of a controlled substance, second offense, also cocaine. That is from December, but it was back from a period of time when she was on bench warrant status for these cases. So it would still be a bond violation there. She also has just from this past weekend, so just from Saturday. Currently, it's authorized as an assault and battery and a retail fraud second from Macy's, but I believe there are some additional charges, likely felony weapons charges coming from that report as well. It just wasn't able to be done in time for that particular arraignment. Ms. Elledge was ordered to report for 4 times monthly testing upon her release on this case the last time, and obviously she cut that home confinement tether off immediately. I think that is the record for how fast I've seen a tether cut off within hours of her release from custody. And so that's all I know about at this time in terms of new charges and new offenses and things like that.
So we have today the bond violation, and she needs to still get interviewed for sentencing. Is that correct?
That's correct, because when we saw her, they had a request for an emergency bond hearing because she wanted to get out of custody after the plea. So she was released right after that. We hadn't even gotten that far for assessments and interviews and things.
Yeah. All right, bond violation and sentencing will occur on July 1st, 2024.
July 1st.
Ma'am, you need to stop speaking out during the middle of court. Do you understand? Do you understand? Ms. Elledge, do you hear me talking to you, ma'am? Just so you know, you can get another contempt. Any contempt proceeding will be consecutive, means stacked on top of what you have right now. Do you understand that?
Miss Elledge, can you hear the judge speaking?
No, I don't hear her.
She's speaking.
She hears me.
What did she say?
Stop talking and interrupting her.
Ms. Elledge, I'm not going to play games with you. We already did this once. I told you very clearly that I already had someone who cut a tether off. You said you would not do that, and you did it in record time. July 1st, 2024 at 10 a.m. Bond is denied.
Thank you, Judge.
I'm going to adjourn the other matter over to that time as well.
No, deal with the situations now.
Miss Elledge, please.
We're gonna keep adjourning for.
Nope, you can't keep talking out of context.
I'm done here.
All right.
Well, this young lady needs jail. She needs to sit right where she's at until she's able to become an adult. Cutting your ankle monitor off, there's no sense in that. Judge Washington is not the one to tolerate that, and this young lady will find that out. She'll find out, and she'll get back out, and she'll blame the system, she'll blame everyone else. No change. All right, well, you guys have a good day, and thank you for watching the video.
That's it for today.